What's up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in for another episode with Brushstrokes. I hope you like the video. If you do, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you can get updates when I go live or when I post a new video. So today I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of my new studio. Here we are. Nothing new. I just made some updates actually, so give you a quick little tour here. So as we enter the room here, just got a little stand here with my truers, some freehand stencils here, a little stand for my old laptop, which I need to upgrade. Then I got my shelves here full of Createx. Got some auto air, some illustration, some Quicksilver, some UV glow, transparent base, clear, some big bottles of some Wicked detail, some bleed check, big old bottle of reducer, more reducer, my favorite new product, some UVLS clear coat. Got a bunch of different effects packs here, some hot rods, sparkles, cosmic, sparkles, metallics, some highlight interferences. Then I got the matte and the satin UVLS. Of course, some 40/30 as well. And then I got every single candy 2O color that Createx has. And we got some sparklescent, color shifts, iridescence, some pearls, metallics. Got my little temperature and humidity gauge. Make sure it stays right up in here. A little webcam there. I got a drawer full of Createx here. Here's some gray tones, some air oil and lead mixes in black and white. Got the full Createx transparent illustration colors, all the opaques. I got some blood red, some more Wicked colors here. These are some custom mixes. These are all extras or backups to some paints that are getting low. Got my magnets in here for my artboard, my little cups and mixing tools. Then I got my little regulator and airbrush hose down here. I really love these hoses. They're just really lightweight and maneuverable. So got my little easel. Got my little exhaust set up here in my window. Got this one of these big windows, so I plastic up the top there so air wasn't blowing in and can't really see it, but I got clear tape around here, so just the fan is out the window, blowing out the window there. Just got a 20x20 filter on there. I got my little tumbler here with all my color samples from customers. Got my Truers poster. This is a print from my buddy Chad Kidder. And a couple prints here from Tommy Ham. And these two actually just teamed up and made some sweet skull stencils. Tommy makes them, but Chad designed them, and they're pretty awesome. I need to get me a set. I got 3 Olympus SB100s here. I got these from Tommy Ham as well. Check him out. He sells some Olympus airbrushes and some awesome stencils. Got my Iwata here. I got my trios of Creoses, my PS 270, 289, and 770, the Micron. That's an awesome airbrush. These Creos airbrushes, you can get them at spraygunner.com. And then I got some stickers from some companies I use: FPS Tapes, Trulers, Iwata, Spray Gunner, Fisheye Filter, Tamco, and got my little Vinnies, my Createx Vinnies here. Got my little spray out pot, a little brush for cleaning out my cup, and then these dental picks come in handy too. These little brushes right here, I think they come in handy for cleaning out the airbrush and those little valleys and stuff. So I do use my 4012 as my cleaner still. And then I got my reducer out there. I do have my own homemade cleaner there as well. This is an update I made. This desk, this piece and this piece were together, and it came out to right here. Couldn't even get in this closet. I was having to crawl under the desk to get in there, or reach over here, which I can't reach it. I can only reach about halfway into the closet, so I just built some legs for this, added those. That way I could split this, and then move my heat press over here too, which that used to be over here, taking up a lot of desk space, so it's nice to clear that up. I got a flat little area over here for my cutting mat, glass that I use for cutting, and any other stuff I need to keep flat. And some tumblers I need to get ready for some customers. A shirt I need to do for my brother. But yeah, I got this closet all opened up. Gave me a lot more room. I can get in here now. This table right here used to be right here too. So, I mean, this whole area here was, you know, desk, table. Just didn't have a lot of room. It was kind of cluttered in here. So, moved my TV up. Well, it was in here before. That stand was in this closet. My TV was here, but got all this table room now for tumblers, for artwork. I got a bunch of panels here that I haven't put up yet. This is something my buddy Brad, or B-Rad as I call him, did for me. It's a little Groot on the turntables. He gave that to me for my birthday a couple years ago. A couple customer orders. Got another one of these. Which I really like that part the best. So I am a Vikings fan. Got my little skull reference here. Here's a hood that I did in my House of Color Shimmering 2 class that I took with John Kosmowski and Jim Hetzler. This was like my first thing I ever did freehand, and the first time I ever worked on wood. So cool piece I keep. And then I got some more filters in here. This is a box full of aluminum panels for doing artwork on. I'm not going to open it, but I don't use this much anymore. I do have a big compressor now, so I usually just run that, and that's in my basement here, down by the booth. I plumbed all that up into all the air hoses upstairs here too. So then here's my battle picks. These on the left side here are going to be all mine, and then these are my competitors' battle picks. If you want to see these two airbrushed head-to-head on YouTube, go to my homepage and then scroll down, and I made a playlist of live airbrush battles. You can see all three of these live. It's about 4 hours on each of these paintings. So this was me versus Soul Dog Airbrush. This was me versus Mouth of Madness. And then this was me versus W. Leon Artistry. All of them have channels. You should go check them out. Soul Dog Airbrush, Mouth of Madness, and W. Leon Artistry. W. Leon Artistry does some great tutorials too if you're looking into getting into painting or airbrushing at all too. So this is probably my favorite piece that I've done of mine, Sugar Skull Girl. I did some of this live on YouTube. You can go back in my videos and see me finish off kind of this whole bottom section here of her. I didn't have the face on tape, but this was one of my, other than that panel that I just showed you with the skull and flames, this is my other first attempt really using candy colors really with the True Fire, but it was really my second True Fire attempt. This was a little sample panel I did for a motorcycle fairing that I actually just got done working on, and we'll be making some video, a video about the process there. And this is a gear that I did on a Scott McKay demo. This is just some little flames that I did, just a little sample panel for here. And here is a Venom This was the first time I worked on black canvas at all. And I really enjoyed it and hope to do some more. Got my little House of Color Shimmering 2 certificate of completion from the course. And got John Kosmowski's signature on there, the man, and Jim Hetzler. He's the man too. I made this to put on my car, but never got around to it. And since I was redoing the studio, thought that'd be a great place to put it. This is a piece that I did for a customer about a year ago, and for some reason he just kind of disappeared, and I keep asking him when he's going to come pay for it and pick it up, but just keeps ghosting me. So I think I'll keep this one. I like it. So I painted this. The car is not painted. That's just a printout. And then I cut it out. But this border, I painted that wood grain because I was going to paint something in the middle here. I just haven't got around to it. This was just a quick little piece that I did a long time ago when I started airbrushing. And then this is my grandma and grandpa, who's no longer with us. Haven't been for a while, but they were my inspiration. They got me into art, so had to paint them up so they can always watch over me while I'm painting. So I got my little chalkboard, white dry erase board here. Now I got my customer orders on. And then I got my plotter, my 31-inch plotter here. Used to have this in my bedroom. I didn't have any room in here, so it's nice to have it in here. Got my old raggedy chair. I'm gonna upgrade that soon. Got my awesome custom seat risers here, and occasionally I need to get a little higher, so got a couple more custom seat riser pillows down there. But yeah, well, this is my little studio, little upgrades that I've made in here. So yeah, I really enjoy it, and hopefully we'll be bringing you some live videos from here soon. So until the next video, keep those brushes stroking.